Smash the subscribe button and comment that you've subscribed and I will reply. Huge announcement for SHIB. Shiba Inu's price has been reviewed by experts, who detect a triple bottom pattern that would propel the currency to $0.000088. The first lover of SHIB, according to Whale Stats statistics, Shiba Inu has the greatest ERC20 token holdings among Ethereum whales, with a total ownership of over $20 billion. AMC has just announced that it would accept SHIB payments using the BitPay system. In the meanwhile, the Shiba Inu community is concentrating on the Robinhood listing and also requesting that the fast food business McDonald's accept SHIB payments. Analysts are positive on SHIB, expecting that the price of Shiba Inu would reverse its downward trend. Data from the Whale Stats website indicates that the Shiba Inu has emerged as a favorite among Ethereum whales. Analysts believe that SHIB will begin the second leg of the bull run in the current cycle, which will begin in the next several weeks. According to statistics from Whale Stats, SHIB has more than 17.4% of the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets' ERC20 holdings, according to the data. With a market valuation of $23.6 billion, the meme currency is now ranked 11th in terms of popularity. SHIB's second set of admirers is of course its SHIB army. Several petitions have been started by the Shiba Inu community in order to get SHIB listed on Robinhood and so accepted as a payment option at AMC theaters and McDonald's. In response to the SHIB Army's request, AMC Theaters has announced that SHIB Army may now be utilized to make purchases throughout its theater chain's locations using the BitPay payment system. Number 3 in favor of SHIB, analytics companies. In a recent report, the analytics company Santiment refers to SHIB as a blue chip among Ethereum-based cryptocurrencies, referring to its strong performance. The usefulness of the Shiba Inu has reached its zenith, with over 500 shops now accepting SHIB as a means of payment. According to rumors, a mysterious new SHIB whale amassed 170 billion Shiba Inu tokens worth $8.1 million during a period of weakness in the cryptocurrency market. A favorable signal for the price of the Shiba Inu is believed to be the fact that the whale purchased SHIB using Ethereum. About SHIB's consolidation phase. Saturday marks the conclusion of Shiba Inu's weekly consolidation phase, which has been in effect since the December 4th fall to $0.000295 levels. Consequently, SHIB's price is reporting about 2.5% gains on a daily basis, as it attempts to recover from its lows. According to the time of this writing, the cryptocurrency is trading about $0.000350, reversing the previous 2 days of falls. Shiba Inu was acquired by an Ethereum whale on Thursday for about $1.8 million, taking advantage of a 17% drop in the price of Shiba Inu cryptocurrency over the previous week, according to the Blockchain Info report. Shiba's breakout. According to the daily chart of Shiba Inu, bulls look to be trying yet another effort to spark a new upsurge towards all-time highs of $0.00008885 in the cryptocurrency. The price of SHIB is looking for a major trigger to push it over the present lockup range of $0.00000350. The price of the currency has been fluctuating within a small range, with the upside being limited by the downward sloping 21 daily moving average, which is now at $0.00000400, and the downside limited by the upward sloping 21 daily moving average, which is currently at $0.000400. Meanwhile, the climbing 100 DMA, which is now at $0.00000315, continues to provide support to optimistic traders. The 14-day relative strength index is creeping closer to the midline, indicating that bulls may be poised to seize control if they can retake the 50.00 mark. A daily close above the 21 DMA obstacle, on the other hand, is required for SHIB bulls to overcome the bearish bias in the short term. In this case, it is possible that more buying chances would surface, causing Shiba Inu to rise in price towards the slightly bullish 50 DMA at $0.00000488. The next key resistance level for SHIB bulls is expected to be the $0.00000543 highs reached on November 30th. Shiba Inu's bulls are tackling a major hurdle. As the price of Shiba Inu remains trapped behind a decline within a declining parallel channel on a higher period, there have been little signs as to its future path. However, if the bulls are able to break above a major level of resistance above $0.00003520, SHIB might see a 30% increase in value. Shiba Inu prices are expected to surpass crucial resistance. On the 4-hour chart of the Shiba Inu, the price has created a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, indicating that SHIB is lacking in decisiveness. If the bulls are able to push the price of Shiba Inu over the upper border of the ruling technical pattern, which intersects with the 21 4-hour simple moving average and the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level, the market might see a significant increase in the price of the coin. More important stats about SHIB and whether it can rebound. The current chart pattern shows that the price of Shiba Inu will rise by 30%, with the goal of reaching the top border of the parallel channel. A potential stumbling block for SHIB may be the 54-hour SMA at $0.000359, which coincides with the midway border of a parallel channel and is now at $0.000359. An extra headwind might materialize around the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of $0.00038878, which is located near the 104-hour simple moving average and the resistance line provided by the momentum reversal indicator, among other levels. Shiba Inu's price will have to overcome resistance at the 51% retracement level at $0.000041, then at the 204-hour simple moving average at $0.000043, and lastly at the 61.9% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.000044 before it can achieve its bullish objective, according to the chart. However, if the selling pressure continues to build, the Shiba Inu price may be forced to see quick support below $0.00003358, which is the bottom limit of the triangle. It is possible that more lines of defense may arise at the low of $0.00003269 on December 6, then at the low of $0.00002952 on December 4. And now for the breakout. Since December 1st, the price of Shiba Inu has been pressed upward as it pushes up against the red descending trend line of a bearish triangle, which has put SHIB price action in a tight grip. If the bulls are successful in breaking over the falling red trend line, anticipate a significant acceleration in the price movement in the near future. A successful penetration above would offer the motivation for a push higher towards $0.000490 in the first phase, and then $0.000569 over the weekend if the penetration was successful. It is possible that 76% of potential profits will be realized if the breakthrough occurs. Shiba Inu price is poised to break above the red declining trend line that has been preventing further rises in the SHIB price movement. As long as bulls maintain their grip over $0.00000320, anticipate the red descending trend line to be broken, followed by an explosion of purchasing activity from investors who have been sitting on the sidelines, as a result of the positive feeling in the market. During the first wave, the price might easily go to $0.00004490, which corresponds to the 61.8% Fibonacci level. The price of SHIB will then see some profit taking and hesitation from investors who enter the rise after it had already begun. Resistance will be provided by the 55-day simple moving average at $0.000047, with support provided by the SHIB price sliding back towards $0.000044. Hopefully, a rebound off of that level would entice some last-minute investors to get in, which should be enough to propel SHIB price action into the 50% Fibonacci level at $0.00005. Headwinds might result in a bogus breakthrough above the red declining trend line, or a rebound above $0.000449, but this would be followed by a sharp decline that would wipe all winnings. It would require a break to the negative to breach the 78.6% Fibonacci level at $0.000278, setting the stage for a drop towards $0.00002, with the 200-day simple moving average providing solid support. And now the haters. It's easy to see why there are so many entities who are against the project, and here are a few of them. Some of the viewpoints about SHIB I've shared. Shiba Inu is a hype-driven cryptocurrency that saw a bull run in 2021 before collapsing in the latter months of the year. Shiba Inu is susceptible to further declines as a result of its poor usefulness and speculative investor community, which has seen the stock fall by a staggering 62% from its recent high of $0.00081616 in late October. The rally began in October, when Elon Musk tweeted about his newly acquired Shiba Inu dog, whom he had just adopted. However, despite all of the hoopla, the token isn't really helpful. Because of its great volatility, it is a poor store of value and a dangerous means of exchange, and as a result, most Shiba Inu investors have a short-term outlook. According to research from Coinbase.com, The average holding duration for a Shiba Inu is around 40 days versus 70 for its competitors. The asset also suffers from concentrated ownership, with just 10 accounts holding a staggering 64% of the supply, allowing whales the opportunity to collapse the price by selling their interests in the company. The excitement is short-lived. Due to the fact that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are meme currencies with weak fundamentals, its investors must depend on the greater fool notion in order to earn money. If you have a low-quality asset, this notion indicates that you may benefit from it since someone else, the bigger fool, will be eager to purchase it for a higher price in the future. However, the excitement gradually wears off. As a result, the number of selling begins to outweigh the number of purchasers, resulting in a collapse. In order to avoid being left holding the doggy bag in 2022, new investors should stay away from Shiba Inu. And that's all on our end.